What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Charles Tech Life. Today we have the May 2022 Snap-on flyer. On the cover page it says, "Wrench hard, play harder. Working your best requires the right tools. Making the most of your time off the clock does too." To learn about this year's summer promotion, see pages 2 and 3. Wrench hard, play harder. Whether it's fishing, golfing, or hanging in the backyard to get your adrenal leisure pumping, we can supply you with the tools you need to perform as well outside the shop as you do inside it. Ask your franchisee about the featured tools and qualifying purchase that will help you score these one-of-a-kind summer accessories so you can get out there and recreate like you mean it. So this is the summer promotion, guys. You have phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. It's showing the grand prize, a Snap-on inflatable fishing kayak. Says you can also earn a Snap-on tackle box or fishing gloves. In phase 2, you can win a Snap-on golf bag. You can also earn a Snap-on golf practice net, golf balls, golf towel, or golf accessory kit. Phase 3, backyard oasis. The grand prize is a Snap-on Addy wrench deck chair. Check that out. You can also earn a Snap-on wrench horseshoe game, Dixon party shirt, shop gnome, or campfire popcorn maker. Ask your franchisee about the featured tools and qualified purchases that will help you score these one-of-a-kind summer accessories so you can get out there and recreate like you mean it. If you see something you need, why wait? Snap-on credit. See your franchisee to determine your purchasing power and get a Henley or drinkware set for no additional costs. Build your credit and your tool collection at the same time. Page 5, we always got your back. Whatever your level of experience, you need a diagnostic tool that can help you take on every challenge that comes your way, no matter the application and no matter what type of vehicle you work on. Our diagnostic platforms are built to help you handle it all. So picture, they have 3 diagnostic scanners. You got the Triton D10, the Apollo DG, and the Solus Legend. So page 6, we got the Snap-on cordless ratchets. Get up to $50 off with trade-in. You have a 14.4 volt quarter-inch drive micro lithium cordless ratchet with 1 battery. Model number and price. You have B 14.4 volt 3H drive micro lithium brushless cordless ratchet with 1 battery. Model number and price. At the bottom, you have pneumatic air ratchets. And with these, you can get $50 off with trade-in as well. Snap-on air ratchets. Prefer a pneumatic air ratchet? Need one that's smaller, longer, or heavy duty? We've got you covered. And each one offers the perfect balance of power and control. So you have your C, the quarter-inch drive long neck air ratchet. Model number and price. C. You have your D 1/4" drive mini air ratchet, model number and price. You have your E 3/8 drive Super Duty air ratchet, model number and price. Moving along to page 7. Wherever the darkness, we have the tool to light your way. We got a page full of flashlights. You have the 300 lumen rechargeable foldable dual pin light, model number and price. 3 colors to choose from. At the bottom you have an articulating precision light, model number and price. In the center you have the rechargeable COB LED pocket flood flashlight with laser pointer, model number and price. 4 colors to choose. Top right you have fast charge 400 lumen project light, model number and price. 4 colors to choose. The bottom corner you have the 1500 lumen clamping work light, model number and price. So page 8, clamp down on optimal access to handle every hose. You have A, remote hose clamp pliers, model number and price. That's your A. You have B, remote ratcheting hose clamp pliers, model number and price. You have C, the 6-piece soft grip radiator hose pick set, model number and price. 3 colors to choose from. There's your C. You have D, 2-piece soft grip radiator hose pick set, model number and price. 3 colors to choose from. You have E, hose clamp pliers, model number and price. There's E. And also they have the 3-piece extended reach hose grip plier set, blue point not pictured, model number and price. They have the 5.5 swivel jaw hose clamp pliers, blue point not pictured, model number and price. The 9.25 swivel jaw hose clamp pliers, blue point not shown, model number and price. 14-inch swivel jaw hose clamp pliers, blue point not shown, model number and price. So page 9, even 0 clearance fasteners can be easy to access. Pictured is A and B. So A, 10-piece 3/8 drive, 6-point metric flank drive, flare nut socket set. Flare nut socket set, 10-piece. Model number and price. You have a 7-piece 3/8 drive, 6-point standard flank drive, flare nut socket set not shown, model number and price. You have a metric bubble flaring set, blue point not shown, model number and price. We got a 5-piece standard flank drive double end flare net wrench set, model number and price not shown. Multi-purpose tubing bender, blue point not shown, model number and price. Flaring and swagging set, blue point not shown, model number and price. Ratcheting tubing cutter, blue point not shown, model number and price. You have a ratcheting tubing cutter, model number and price. And you have B, the 6-piece, 6-point metric flank drive, double end, flare nut wrench set, model number and price. Page 10, a new twist on removing hex fasteners. The 6-inch Talon grip flank jaw slip joint pliers. Model number and price. Take a look at that. Everyday essentials for every bay. Skull auto darkening welding helmet with light. Model number and price. Car scan code reader plus ABS SRS module scan blue point. Model number and price. Air solving gun blue point. Model number and price. Ear protectors. Model number and price. 500 lumen wide angle pocket light. Model number and price. You got 4 colors. At the bottom left, by any measure, you got calibers, tape measure, feeler gauge set, and a leveler. So you got the 6-inch electronic caliber, model number and price, 25-foot tape rule, model number and price, bent blade feeler gauge set blue point, model number and price, 9-inch aluminum lighted level blue point, model number and price. Page 11, the best TPMS tool you can buy is getting even better. Tackle every TPMS job without any pressure. If you don't own this go-to standalone TPMS tool, you need it. If you already own it, you need a new TPMS 5U software update to expand your capabilities on US, Asian, and European vehicles. Check it out, guys. Got your barcode, see it in use, and get more details. Last page, back page, as always, this month's featured roll cab is loaded with features. Picture, they got the 68-inch Epic Series roll cab in the colors of your dreams. So it looks like they got 9 different color combos. Check that out. Guys, let me know down in the comments if you own an Epic, what size Epic you got, and what's your setup. You have the hutch or the work center. Do you have the locker? Do you have 2 lockers? Let me know your setup. Let me know the color you got and your setup. Right now, guys, my setup is the midnight blue with the titanium trim. I got the 84-inch with the hutch. Can't wait to drop that video. Until next time, guys.